and District 10's 2024-2025 president. And this is the story of State Conference. Head, heart, hands, and health. The keys to 4-H. I pledge my head to clear thinking. This is anywhere from being able to study for your competitions to being able to teach others. My heart to greater loyalty. This is how we end up influencing each other and growing. Hands to larger service, our community service, and being able to help our friends and other teammates out. And our health to better living, helping out our community, our country, and our world. My head to clear thinking. Whether that's competing or learning at workshops, we pledge our head to clear thinking here at State Conference. My heart to greater loyalty. Whether that's supporting your teammates, your new friends, or fellow competitors, we pledge our heart to greater loyalty. We pledge our hands to larger service, whether it's community service projects or other activities here at CSU Fort Collins. And our health to better living, whether that's making healthy choices or having healthy relationships with your friends and competitors. Here at State Conference, we pledge our head to clear thinking, our heart to greater loyalty, our hands to larger service, and our health to better living for our club, our community, our country, and our world.